Student, it is our second lecture of this week of multivariate analysis. Here I share the average linkage method of clustering techniques. In this example, there are four individuals. The distances between these four individuals are given here. Here we have to see from these distances the minimum distance between these individuals. You see the minimum distance between two individuals are B and C. B and C have minimum distance, that is 1. So now what we have to do, we have generate another matrix after making distances, after making averages of B and C with remaining individuals, distance between A and the group BC. Here we have calculated the weightage average between these two distances, 1 into 2 and 1 into 4, where 2 and 4 that is 4 is the distance between A with BC with C and A with B, that is 2, and these are only one individual which has been linked with BC. Therefore 1 into 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Similarly, D into BC, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 5 divided by 2, it has become 4. Now the new metric, the distance between A and BC is equal to 3, and distance between D and BC is equal to 4, where distance between A and D will remain the same. The revised metric has become this, the metric of distances. Now see further the minimum distance between two individuals, that is individual A and individual BC, which is equal to 3. Now again we will combine 1 into 6 plus 2 into 4 divided by 3. Here we have also taken the weighted average between individual BC and A, BC and D. We have combined here A with BC. Now the distance between with respect to D is 14/3. This is the end of the solution of this example. Now come on another example. It is given in the book of Dr. Khalid Mahmood, and listen the example. Listen the example. Consider the four items A, B, C and D. The measurement of the two variables A, x1 and x2 on these four items are given below. The item A, the observation x1 is equal to 5. It may be any variables on item A which have measurement 5. Similarly, on item A, the measurement B, that may be height or weight, is equal to 3. Similarly, the measurements of B, C and D on variable x1 and x2 are given here. Now we have to group the items into k is equal to 2 clusters using k-means method. Our object is to group the items A, B, C, D in K is equal to 2 clusters. We have arbitrarily partitioned these items into 2 clusters. हम अपनी तरफ से कोई भी 2 पार्टीशंस बना लेंगे. इसके लिए कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक क्राइटेरिया नहीं है जिसकी बेस पर हमें पार्टीशन बनाने. कोई बना लें, ए बी सी डी बना लें, ए डी बी सी बना लें, ए सी बी डी बना लें. तो हमने यहाँ ए बी और सी डी की 2 पार्टीशन बना ली हैं. अब हम इनके कोऑर्डिनेट्स कंप्यूट करेंगे. कोऑर्डिनेट्स कंप्यूट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द क्लस्टर सेंटर्ड. Thus at first stage we have AB is equal to 2. That is how we have obtained AB is equal to 2. That is AB 5 plus minus 1 is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Similarly, we have BC. BC 1 plus minus 3 is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. 1 plus minus 3, that is minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, we have obtained the remaining distances, remaining averages between the clusters A, B and C, D. At step 3, D square is equal to 5 minus 3. Now we have to check at step 3. We compute the Euclidean distance of each item from the group centered and reassign the items to the nearest group. If an item is moved from one initial configuration, the cluster centered must be updated before proceeding the square distances between them. Now compare the distance of A with respect to AB. That is 5 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to 10. Distance between A with respect to C and D, which is equal to 61. Similarly, distance between B with AB and distance between B with CD. Now B has the smallest distance from cluster CD, then from the cluster AB, so it will be reassigned to cluster C. क्योंकि इसका डिस्टेंस B का C से ज़्यादा करीब है, लिहाजा हम B को अब C के साथ क्लस्टर कर देंगे. Now the new arrangement is here that A will remain alone and B, C, D will be clustered. Again, each item is checked for reassignment and computing square distances gives the following. These are the distances between A with A, A with B, A with C, A with D. Similarly, BC, the distance of BCD with A, BCD with B, BCD with C and BCD with 5. Here we see the distances between the items which has been included in a group. That is distances between BCD with B is 4, BCD with C with 5, BCD with D is 5, which is minimum, as compared to distance between BCD with A, which is not included in cluster BCD, it is maximum, that is 52. Similarly, distances between A with AP, A with C, A with D is also maximum. So it is the best grouping or clustering of the items. So we have divided the items A, B, C, D into 2 clusters. That is, first cluster is A and second cluster is B, C, D. Here I have also shared the example of this chapter. Please try to these examples to solve the questions of these examples. Thank you, students.